Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? It is I, the Work at Home Job Queen, and today is April the 6th, 2021. I know it has been a month of Sundays since you guys have seen me, but I am back. I am better. And I hope that you guys are well during these times, okay? Of course, I'm here to share some awesome and amazing work at home opportunities for you guys that are not a part of my email list. And if you're not a part of my Facebook group, and if you're not, it is free 99. It doesn't cost you a dime. Come over to the blog, link in the description box down below. Enter your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Input your email and click send me new leads. You will need to verify that you're not a robot. You know how they ask you to choose the street lights or the crosswalks, etc., etc. So just make sure that you do that in order to be added to the email list. And also make sure you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge over here on Facebook. Family, it is a community of people and I absolutely love it. And I'm so thankful to God for what He has done, not only for me, but what He has done for the people that are in this group. Okay, you guys should definitely run, do not walk, and check this group out. Just make sure that you answer all three questions when you are prompted to answer all three questions. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get into these jobs. The first one that I want you guys to apply to is for U.S. Bank. Okay, run, do not walk. When I tell you this is an awesome and amazing opportunity for you guys, you do not have to have any prior banking or fraud experience to work for this company. Okay, they provide ongoing training for you after you are hired. All right. Basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be answering incoming calls and providing high quality support to their credit and debit card customers over the phone. If somebody has some unauthorized activity or some suspicious activity that is on their credit card, they'll be calling in and you'll be assisting them with that. Okay. Training for this position is going to be 8 until 4:30 Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday for the first 5 weeks, as well as the 10th and the 11th week of your employment. Okay. So definitely run, do not walk, and check this out. This is U.S. Bank. Everything is going, family. I'm going to list the names of the company in the description. My blog is in my humble opinion, is one of the simplest blogs there are out there. You click the link and every single job is listed right here for you. Okay. There's not a whole lot of hoopla or anything like that. It's one click, bam, you there. Okay. So it's not confusing at all. Click the blog in the description box down below, wahjobqueen.com. US Bank, you scroll down until you see April 5th. Okay. You're going to click on the link that says US Bank Customer Service Representative Fraud. Okay. And don't just stay under today's date. As I always say, scroll. Okay. I got jobs all the way back here from last year. Okay. If the link still works, they are still hiring. So you definitely need to apply. Don't just stay under today's date. Okay. I always I tell people, I can't stress that enough. Do not just stay under today's date, because if you do, you're missing out on some great opportunities. Okay. Also, Wayfair. Wayfair is seeking chat inbound sales agents to work from home. Start date is April 19th. So this is a short fuse opportunity. If you're interested, you need to go and apply like yesterday. Okay. So definitely check this out right here. Again, they are looking for chat inbound sales agents. So you'll be assisting their customers via chat with their purchasing needs. Okay. And they supply you with all of the equipment that you need to work this position. So this is great for those of you out there that are looking for an opportunity where they do provide you the equipment. Okay. Also, Mod Squad, they're looking for email support agents to work from home, of course, for a platform for printed and ebooks. All right. So you'll be assisting customers via email, of course, with common questions about previous orders, billing issues, and how to inquiries about the program. Okay. Now, their hours of operation are 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You need to be available a minimum of 15 hours per week for this position. And a lot of people, tell me that they have issues with getting on with Mod Squad. Now, I have several people who are in the group who currently work for Mod Squad who have been working with them for a while, but they did give you a little bit of a pro tip. Because this is an email support position, you need to take your time and make sure that you do a thorough job in completing your application. Your responses should be grammatically correct and comprehensive. Okay, this will greatly increase the probability of scoring an interview because you're going to be emailing back and forth with customers. So, of course, they want you to have, good grammar. They want you to be, punctuating your sentences properly, et cetera, et cetera. So just make sure that you're doing a thorough job in completing your application, okay? Also, the Hartford, I've shared this several times, and they have several positions that are currently open. They're seeking customer service relationship specialists to work from home. Training is provided, and they also send you the equipment that you need. Very, very good pay, okay? Very good pay for this company. They have amazing benefits if you have student loans and things like that. They help you pay your student loans. They are amazing, okay? Now, the start date for this position is May 24th, Monday through Friday from 10:30 a.m. Training hours are Monday through Friday, 10:30 a.m. till 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, the post-training hours are going to be Monday through Friday from 10:30 a.m. until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? So definitely check out this position if you're looking for something where you don't have to work weekends. This is definitely the position for you. And again, you guys, I can't, and that was not under today's date. That was under yesterday's date. So remember, if I mention something and it's not under today's date, scroll, okay? Scroll, because if the link still works, that means they are still hiring for that position, okay? So definitely come over here and scroll on the blog and see who's still hiring. All you have to do is click on the link, okay? Click on the link, and if it still works, that means they're still hiring. For example, Maximus, okay? This was posted under March 31st, okay? They are still looking for call center representatives to work from home part-time for this COVID-19 vaccination thing that they're doing. They have a lot of people that are calling in to schedule these appointments, and they need help. They're hiring 1,000+ people, okay? Almost, I'm not going to say everybody who's applied for this position has gotten it, but more than likely, if you apply, if you're persistent, if you apply and you notice, 2-3 weeks have gone by and you haven't gotten a response, apply again, okay? Don't just apply to 1 or 2 jobs and get discouraged when you don't hear back from a company. I always tell people, apply to everything you see, even if you think you're not qualified. Now, if it's something where it specifically says they're looking for RNs, or you need to have a bachelor's degree in XYZ, if it says required. Now, if it says preferred, apply, okay? Do not sell yourself short. There are people out there who have sold themselves short, and they have missed out on amazing opportunities because they felt like they weren't qualified. And if they would have only applied, they would have likely gotten that position, okay? So I don't care. Apply. Remember, I'm not going to go through all of these because there are so many opportunities. Omni Interactions, I'm pretty sure they're still hiring. They're looking for phone and email support representatives to work from home, okay? Yes, they are still hiring. $13 to $16 per hour guaranteed, okay? Run and apply, you guys. And that was posted under March 30th. So come over here, scroll the blog, and apply to everything that you see, even if you think you're not qualified, okay? Make sure you sign up to this email newsletter, and make sure that you come over and join the Work at Home Lounge over on Facebook. Just make sure that you answer the 3 questions when you're prompted. If you have a brand new account, unfortunately, I do not accept brand new accounts. So make sure that your account is not new, you have a photo, and make sure you answer all 3 questions when prompted. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.